Meet the newest addition to Proggio's AI capabilities. Ask anything. Think of it as having a project expert who knows every detail of your projects and can answer any question instantly. Getting started is simple. Just click the purple stars icon in the top right corner to open Proggio AI. The AI chat opens, ready for your questions. If you've used it before, you'll see your last conversation so you can continue right where you left off. If this is your first time, you'll start with a fresh chat. Need more screen space? You can collapse the chat when you want and expand it again whenever you need it by clicking the chevron icon. Want to start fresh? You can begin a new conversation at any time with a single click by clicking the plus icon in the top left of the chat. And don't worry, every conversation is saved automatically, so you can always come back to previous discussions and pick up right where you left off by clicking the chats icon. Now let's open up a fresh new chat and see what AI can do. Say you're heading into a meeting and need a quick overview. Just ask how many overdue tasks you have in the project. The AI doesn't just give you a number. It tells you exactly which tasks are overdue, who's responsible, and how far behind schedule they are. Need to check team capacity? Ask who has capacity to take on more work. You get a clear breakdown of who's available, who's at capacity, and recommendations for assigning work more effectively. Here's where it gets really powerful. You can ask Proggio AI to create a status update for stakeholders. The full prompt is a little more detailed. It's displayed on screen and included in the video description. In seconds, you get a structured, professional status report, including an executive summary, overall status, schedule updates, risks, and next steps, all based on your actual project data. You can even use Ask Anything to prepare for daily work, like asking what to focus on in tomorrow's stand-up. The AI provides prioritized talking points and key questions, helping you lead more focused and effective conversations. But here's where it gets truly game-changing. Say your project is missing something important. You can ask Proggio AI to recommend what tasks to add. The AI analyzes your project structure and suggests specific tasks that should be included. It then asks added directly to your project. Just say yes, and watch as the AI updates your project in real time. Watch as the AI goes through each recommendation, adding work streams, tasks, subtasks, and milestones individually, so you can see your project update dynamically and in real time exactly as it happens. And that's it. With Proggio AI's Ask Anything, you're never more than one question away from the insights you need. No more digging through reports or spreadsheets. Just ask. Proggio AI. Ask anything. Get everything.